Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we have started our capitalization method and we did learn about solving the goodwill using the capitalization of average profit. Right? Now in this video, we are going to take our capitalization of super profit. Now in this question or in this formula, what you are going to do, you are going to make use of your super profit. Right? So as you can understand from the name itself, let's not waste any time and dive into the video and understand what this topic has for us. Right? So let's get started. Now capitalization of super profit. It basically means आपको super profit की use करके अपना capitalization की value निकालनी है. Right? So in this case, what you are going to do, the formula that you are going to apply is your super profit into 100 divided by your rate of return. Right? Now for super profit, you know that there are two things needed. What are those? Your average profit and your normal profit. Now average profit we've been solving from last 4 videos and I guess it's much more clear to you right now. So average profit means जितने सालों का profit दे रखा होगा आप उन सबको add on कर दोगे divided by the number of years. और simply कभी-कभी हमें average profit straight forward भी दे रखा होता है, right? Now talking about your normal profit. Normal profit का formula भी you already know when you learn about solving a super profit. So it is basically your capital employed into rate of return divided by 100. And for capital employed, I again tell you assets minus liabilities. Or you can, what you can do, you can add on the capital of partner. Partner A की capital or partner B की capital. ठीक है? So this is the entire crunch about your super profit method. This is the formula. You don't need to focus upon the formula. You just write and understand the crunch point of it. Now let's solve one more question. And the question that I'm going to take is the same question like we solved in the last video using your capitalization of average profit. And once you will compare your that method with this method using the same question, it will be more clear to you. Right? So let's start. And for the practice question, I'm going to put the practice question in the description. Go and practice those questions regarding your super profit. Right? So without wasting any time, let's start your practice question. Alright. So the same question we are going to take using which we have solved our capitalization of average profit so that you will be able to compare your that method with this method. Right? So question you can see on your screen. Rajan and Rajni are partners in a firm. Their capital were Rajan 3 lakh, Rajni rupees 2 lakh. During the year ending 31st March 2016, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1.5 lakhs. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm on the basis of capitalization of super profit, assuming that the normal rate of return is 20%. Right? So start solving the question. First thing, write the given thing. ठीक है? आपको कैपिटल दे रखी है राजन और रजनी, right? So how much? 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Right? They have given you the average profit or profit we can say 1,50,000. Right? Rate of return 20%. Right? And they have asked me to calculate your goodwill. Simple. Now the formula to calculate your goodwill using your super profit is super profit into 100 divided by rate. Right? For super profit we just learned we need our average profit and we need our normal profit. Average profit we have. What we require more? We require a normal profit. And the formula for normal profit is capital employed rate divided by 100. So we need a capital employed. Right? So in the last video we learned that capital employed is your total capital, which is in case of 5 lakhs. Right? So calculate your normal profit. The normal profit is basically 5 lakhs divided multiplied by 100. Sorry. Multiplied by your rate, which is in case 20 divided by your 100. Right? How much normal profit is coming in this case? And normal profit is coming out to be 1 lakh. You have your normal profit, you have your average profit, simply calculate your super profit. AP minus NP, which is in case 150 minus 1 lakh. So it is giving you 50,000 super profit. Now the last step is to calculate the value of your goodwill. You are going to write goodwill equals to super profit is your 50,000, write 50,000 into 100 divided by rate. How much it is giving you? It is giving you 2,50,000. Now one thing that I would like to highlight here, now just go and check your answer in the last video. The answer that you got by applying your average profit method of capitalization, you got the same method, right? You got the same answer. In this question also you are getting 2,50,000. So it means whenever you apply, whether you apply capitalization of super profit or average profit, the answer is going to be same, right? So this is it from my side for this video. I hope the method of super profit is much more clear to you. I put a few questions in the description for your practice. Go and practice those questions. So yeah, this is it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.